Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And today I have a wig from a company that I cannot pronounce, so you already know it's going to be in the description down below. So when I first got this wig, it was a little questionable, and yeah, I almost fell right then. Ignore it. Anyways, when I first got this wig, it was a little bit questionable because when I got it out the pack, it was looking kind of raggedy. It looked like somebody had put on their head and like was, just playing around, But I knew somebody hadn't worn it because the lace was still on it. But why it was packaged so sloppy, I don't know. When it was in the package, like the paper was like out of the wig, and then plus even when I got it out, it still was shedding a little bit. Like, why the wig shedding? And I'm just not taking it out of the pack. Questionable. Very much questionable. This wig is a 13x6. It is a reddish brown color. It's a beautiful color. I can't say it had no smell. It had a smell, but it wasn't bad smell. It smelled like perfume or something. That's why I was questioning, like, if somebody at Amazon like put it on their head or something before they shipped it off or something. And if they did, I'm glad they wouldn't mustard or they stank, because I would have been pissed off. If y'all did, y'all trifling for that. Because why y'all do that? I put the wig on my head and I started feeling the wig a little bit because, for one, it's a pretty curl pattern. It's supposed to be deep wave, but I really don't think it's deep wave. I think it's something else. Besides the sloppy packaging, the little shedding that it had going on, I think it's a good wig. I would give this wig a 7 out of 10 because the way the lace laid down, the way I did these twists in front of the wig, I made it look good, put it that way. If you want this wig, it will be in my description down below. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Yeah. Okay.
Thought I did that top like I see you, boy.
Look, me versus you and you know they pick it. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's hitting, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails, bare. I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes very low, they told me they spin. This is wash, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like ball constrictors. One bitch, two bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not gon' do shit. I'm in Miami, I pull up on cruise ship. You in Miami for also room shit. When I step a stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, Van Cleef, diamonds on, I stand my teeth. Linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up diamond, bitch. No, if you linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up diamond, bitch. No, if you fuck, I'm like, ooh, child, cool down, too hot, too wild, new clear, new style. How you fucking with me? Girl, give me one shot and I'm raising the glass. Give me 2 shots and I'm shaking this ass. Give me 3 shots and I'm ready to fuck. 5 more shots, I be ready to splash. To me, so I gotta pop it. I'm sending on business, I'm ready about it. Bitch, be talking, I be big in they pocket. Girl, tell me about it. I'm litty, I'm pretty, I'm running the city. I'm shitting on bitches in every department. This ass is heavy, I thick like peanut butter. And bitches jelly about it. A lot of winning, a lot of scoring here. Cardi Bryant, Cardi Jordan here. These bitches all losers. They can't do it's not important. Look, hey, I'm getting better and better. I do not see no competitors. You know the gang hit that pussy. Said it was regular. Fighting can see me if that shit can see me with money. These bitches is bugging. Either these bitches blind or I'm invisible. Bitch can't see me at night. When I hop out with stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, Van Cleef, diamonds on, I stand my teeth. Linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up diamond, bitch. No, if you linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up diamond, bitch. No, if you
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave. Till I rot away, dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going too. 'Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather. no. Say you don't forget, your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit, don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be love, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. We should stay together. So let my eyes get you right. I feel the way I like. Forever is
It's so silly of me to act like I need you back. When all I can think about is that since I seen you last, I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask for space. I'm telling you, be on your way. When I told you to fall back, so keep your calm, pick up your clothes. I had them folded, meeting at the door. I know it's getting cold out, it's not frozen. So come pick up your clothes. I let your body decide. This is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you. Let your body decide. This is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you. No matter what you do to switch the story up, I know I made my mind. And I would still choose you through it all. That's the crazy part, crazy part. Like don't need no more empty promises. Promise me that you got it. I don't need roses, just need some flowers from my garden. Can't you go back to how you loved me when you started? I be here begging for you. You should be giving me love all damn day till the day is done. So if you wanna go that way, I'll be waiting for you to come pick up your clothes. I had them folded, meet me at the door. Why be stupid? I know it's getting cold out, it's frozen. So come pick up your clothes. I had them folded, come pick up your clothes. I had them folded, meet me at my door. Why be stupid? I know it's getting cold out, but tell you that it's not. So come pick up your clothes. Let your body decide. This is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you. Let your body decide. This is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you. Let your body decide. This is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you. Let your body decide. This is good enough for you. Already folding it for you.
In the city, remember you used to drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson, are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I cannot be getting move on. I keep on, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide City, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Having nice things. Slide, show me other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get slouched instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. fighting a lot.